Meaning of gown.
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 Gown. The word gown refers to a long, flowing garment that is typically worn on formal occasions. It can be made of various materials including silk, velvet, or satin and often features intricate detailing such as embroidery, lace, or beading. Gowns are commonly worn by women at weddings, graduations, and other special events. They can also be worn by men on formal occasions such as black tie events. In general, gowns are associated with elegance and sophistication, and they are often considered a symbol of status and prestige.